Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay.
Hello y'all, welcome to my channel. This is Vicky and I'm very excited about this video today. I'm calling it Bougie on a Budget, and that's because I am bougie and I'm on a budget, especially now that I'm retired. I love bougie things. I like designer clothing and elements and styles and purses and shoes, but I don't want to pay thousands of dollars. Even if I had the money, I don't think I would pay thousands of dollars. You all have seen my DIY video on the red bottoms, and I'll leave a link for that up above. But I mean, why pay $1,600 for a pair of shoes? It's going to hurt your feet, and all they're doing is painting the bottom of them red. And I can do that myself, you know, $20. So anyway, let's just go ahead and get started. This is a Gucci sweatshirt that I got, and I don't remember the price. I'm going to leave the price somewhere here on the screen for you, but I ordered it off of iOffer, and I will leave the links down in the comment section. They won't be in the description box, but they will be in the comment section. Now this sweatshirt, I looked at the sizing chart, looked at the measurements, and I got the small because it was supposed to be running kind of big, and you know sweatshirts are supposed to kind of be oversized. Well, this is the small, and this is how it fits. It fits very snug, especially with this band going across my arm. It really fits snug through there, and it's not nearly as oversized as I would like it to be. So if you order it, I would say order a size or two up. And this is the way it looks all the way around. And another thing is the way this is laying across the shoulder. It's not very well made, but I knew my hair would cover that flaw or imperfection. You know, this stuff is coming from China, so it's not gonna be all of that. And I also ordered these Gucci shoes, and I got them. Let me take one off and show you up close how it looks. This is how it looks. There's that heel. It's very, very cute. It's very comfortable. I ordered it in a size European 37 because they didn't have a US 7. But US 7 and 37 are supposed to be equivalent, but it's a little snug. Now, I've worn this shoe once, and it has loosened up a little bit, but I think it could be a half size bigger. But it's very cute, and it comes in black, this olive color, and a couple of more colors. So you don't have to get this olive color if you don't want to. Okay, this is the next piece that I got, and it's this YSL Saint Laurent black dress and the gold logo here on the front. And it's basically for summer or for wearing around the house. Now this time of year I would put on a denim jacket with it, and probably some riding boots. But right now I'm just wearing it with my faux Gucci loafers, and I did a video on those. Also, I got these from Charlotte Russe for about $12.97, and they are a dupe for the Gucci loafers, faux fur lined. And I get plenty of compliments on these. I'm getting off the subject, but I get plenty of compliments on these Gucci loafers. I wore them to my doctor's office who had the real pair, and she looked at my feet and she goes, "Oh, I have some shoes just like those. Those are so comfortable, aren't they?" And I said, "They sure are." I didn't tell her they were knockoffs. And then I went to another one of my doctors, my primary care physician, and there was this older white lady there. She was very sophisticated. You could tell that she only shops like at the Galleria and Neiman Marcus, and she had her black wool coat and her black slacks and her black pumps and her pink pearl cardigan, and I don't know what kind of purse she had, but I'm sure it was probably 4 digits. And she looked at my shoes and she went, and I was like, "Oh, thank you." And then another time I took a friend of mine's daughter to her attorney's office, and I was just sitting there in the waiting room front area waiting for her to come out for a meeting with her attorney. And one of the attorneys walked through there and she looked at my shoes and she goes, "Oh, I like those. Those are so cute." And "Oh, thank you." That's what you say. You don't have to tell anybody that they're not the real thing unless they really ask. Now, if somebody asks, I don't mind telling them, "Honey, these ain't real. I paid $12.97 for them." But anyway, so this dress, you know, you can wear it here in Texas year round, basically. And like I said, put a denim jacket over it and put on some boots. And in the summertime, just put on some little gold flat sandals. And you're ready to go shopping, to the mall, to the grocery store, or wherever you're trying to go and be casual. So I'll leave the information for this also in the comment section. I got it from the same website I offer, but it's a different vendor. Hello, and yes, there is an elephant in the room. I'm having to insert this clip because I forgot all about this dress. Whenever I do these clothing hauls, I always leave something out. I'm gonna have to start taking notes and writing everything down. But I just wanted to pop in and show you all this Fendi dress that I got for, it was a pretty reasonable price. I don't remember, but I will leave the information down below in the comments section. I got it from chicme.com. Now you have to be very careful about these websites because their sizing is very inconsistent. I got this in an extra large, and you can see it's very fitted, and I'm normally a size 4 to a 6 in US sizing, so you have to read the sizing chart, know your measurements, and then you have to go up a size or 2 with these companies from Asia because they run very small. Those are very tiny people, and they're not used to large American people like we are. So anyway, I wear this in the summertime with these black ankle shoes, and if I were to wear it in the wintertime, I would put it on with a black blazer and probably some booties. And y'all excuse my feet, I don't have a pedicure, I don't have any makeup on, I just threw this wig on, which is Zuri Biz, and because I was out running errands. And then, you know, you could put it on with your black booties or your DIY. Just really thrown off, you guys. I forgot to mention that this dress comes in the traditional brown Fendi color, and it also comes in the black and white. And also, you can wear this with black up to the knee boots too. You don't have to just wear booties. So, okay guys, this is the last item. This is a Fendi sweater, mock neck, turtleneck, and I have it in the navy, and it does come in not sure. It comes in a couple of other colors. And I forgot to mention too that YSL dress comes in like red, comes in white, black, some other colors. And the sweatshirt that I had on comes in other colors. I know it comes in white. Now this fits good. Whatever size I got, and I will leave that in the information, it fits like it's supposed to fit, and it has a lot of stretch. And it's comfortable. It doesn't scratch or itch. And I'm just wearing it with some flare jeans. It has this slit in the front that I got from QVC, Gili, G-I-L-I, the guy that loved it. I've shown some handbags from Gili, and I'll leave the link to that right here. And I've also done, showed y'all a Gili dress, plaid dress, in my video called How to Wear Plaid, which I'll leave a link for that also. And I'm just wearing it with some denim pumps that I got from Payless. They're Christian Siriano, still have the tag in them. It says $34.99, but I didn't pay $34.99. I probably had a coupon, or they were probably having some type of sale or something. But yeah, that's all there is to this one. So I'm gonna be doing some more bougie on a budget videos, because I saw some handbags on there that I want. I want to get a YSL, and I'm gonna get Chanel, because Chanel is my favorite designer of all time. I just love Chanel. I always have, ever since I was a little bitty girl, and my mother would wear Chanel No. 5 perfume. So it really brings back some good memories. So I'm looking forward to bringing you all some more bougie on a budget, because I believe in not spending a whole lot of money when you don't have to, and you can still look well put together and don't have to break the bank or look like you're a schluck or something. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to bringing you some more just like it. And please subscribe, like, and share this video, and leave your comments down below, and hit the notification bell for upcoming